Hey guys, it's Chubby99. I have a old printer. I'm gonna bust it up with this sledgehammer part of the axe. It's gonna be really fun. Let's go. Oh crap. That's fast. Okay, I just busted the glass out of it, and I didn't know that was glass. So I'm gonna bust it again with some of the parts broken off. So, like a boss. Let's try one of these. Oh crap. You can see this does a lot of damage. I'm almost done. Fiddle break. That's the inside of a printer. I think that was an ink cartridge. But yeah, that's busting a printer. And thanks for watching. Bye.